Welcome back. It's Tuesday, March 31st. We're going to start off our warm-up to get the heart rate going. We got 25 high knees. Just jumping in place, get those knees up. After that, we're going to get on the floor, 5 burpees. So going down, just on the floor, come up, big jump, 5 times. After that, we got 25 butt kicks. So now we're getting heels to the butt, just running in place, get those legs moving. After that, we got another set of 5 burpees. All right, moving on, we have the stretching portion of the warm-up. To start it off, we got the Samson Stretch. So we're going to get down in lunge, arms overhead, kind of twist side to side, stretch out the lats, opening up the hips here, switch sides. Gonna hang here for about 30 seconds to a minute. All right, after Samson Stretch, we're getting down on the ground. We have Pigeon Pose. We're gonna get knee to the floor, just opening up those hips here. You can try telling yourself, get that chest up. Just again, 30 seconds to a minute. All right, moving on. After that, we have Child's Pose. So knees on the ground, gonna walk our hands out, stretch it out, push those hips back and down, just stretching out that overhead. All right, moving on, we have 2 rounds of some bodyweight movements. To start it off, we have 10 air squats. All right, so getting below parallel, nice and easy. Getting below parallel 10 times, 10 air squats. After that, we have 10 backstepping lunges. Getting that knee to the ground, keeping solid foot pressure on that front leg, 10 times. After that, we're going to get on the floor. We have 10 hand release push-ups. So getting down, torso to the ground, thighs off the ground, staying on tension, hands come up, and push back to the top. Alright, moving on, we're going to have one more round of bodyweight movements, but a little variation here. Start off, we have 10 alternating shrimp squats. Alright, so shrimp squat, going to prep us for the pistols in part B. So we're going to go down, try to take a knee, try to touch the toe of that back foot to the ground, and alternate sides. Alright, after that, we have 10 jumping lunges. Alright, so trying to get some springiness here. 10 times. After that, we're going to position ourselves up against a wall if we have it. If not, you could post up on a bench, chair, table, whatever you have. I'm going to use a box here. I'm going to pull out my box. I'm going to do 10 handstand shoulder taps. So here, I'm trying to get inverted. Feet on the box. Get those hips up nice and tall. Going to push through the floor as I get hand to the same shoulder. 10 times. All right, you guys, that's your warm-up.
Hey team, welcome back. It is Tuesday, March the 31st. We have 2 parts for your workout today. For part A, we're starting off with an EMOM. It'll be a 15-minute EMOM. In the first minute, you will perform 5 strict handstand push-ups. In the second minute, you will perform 10 weighted step-ups, alternating legs. In the third minute, you will perform 10 stiff-legged deadlifts. You will continue this pattern until you have rotated through each of the movements 5 times respectively for a total of 15 minutes for this EMOM. For some modifications, let's remember that in the strict handstand push-up, you can add a stack of books or pads, depending on what you have in your home, to elevate your head target to lessen the range of motion. You can also modify down to the box handstand push-up or the floor version of the piked handstand push-up. For the step-ups, whatever weight you have in your home, hold that weight however you can. You can hold 2 dumbbells, 1 kettlebell, hold something on one shoulder, whatever way you can weight your body. Let's alternate those legs 10 times, 5 on each side. And for the stiff-legged deadlift, our recommendation would be to start at the top of the movement. This will be a double leg, stiff-legged deadlift, so your range of motion will determine your end range on this movement. For part B today, we have a pistol burpee complex. You will perform 50 reps per time of the pistol burpee complex. 1 repetition will equal a pistol on the right, a pistol on the left, and 1 burpee. There's a 10-minute time cap to this structure. For some modifications on the pistol, let's remember if you do not have a pistol on the floor, you can add a target to your height, such as using a box, or you can try the pistol prep movements that we do in class by modifying or varying your foot distance. The farther away you are, the easier it will be. The closer to your foot you are, the harder it will be. Good luck. Tell us how you did. Enjoy these workouts.